How to trim audio in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trim audio in a video through the help of Edit app. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open your Edits app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, tap on the plus icon to add a photo or a video, or you can use your previous project by clicking on this photo or a video. Once you are inside the project page, tap on this music icon which is labeled as audio and select any of the music. Once you have selected your music, to trim it, it's really simple. All you have to do is tap on the music, then in the bottom you'll see various editing option menus. There you'll also see a button called split. Tap on it and trim your audio as much as you want. You can keep it or even click on delete and remove that much audio. Trim and adjust your audio according to your preference. Once you are happy with your trimming, tap on export to save all your projects. And that's it. This is how you can trim audio in edits. Isn't it super simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.